Can animals sense earthquakes before humans? Some stories say that before a quake, dogs bark non-stop, birds start flying in flocks, and even elephants leave their usual spots. While there's no conclusive evidence that animals can predict earthquakes, some believe their heightened senses, like detecting small vibrations or changes in Earth's magnetic field, help them react faster to environmental changes. Some think animals sense seismic activity even before we notice it. But for now, the question remains: can animals truly predict earthquakes? Or is it just instinctual behaviour responding to shifts in the environment? What do you think?